Okay, my good friends, I'm recreating the video I did earlier because I wanted to show you what the idea generation identification looks like. So here I have a tree map and it's just telling me these two are the biggest ones today. And I traded this one earlier and look at this, I missed it. It was such a bummer. But this one right here, highlight of the day. And right now, as you can see right here, this is at a stop. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it up. And you can see the numbers changing. And I'm going to put it right at 20,000. And again, here on this side, everything is moving. I can see that this is, again, the biggest gainer since I started watching. This is the second biggest gainer. Look at these moves. You know, this is the stuff you guys are missing. And you're missing it because you don't have trade ideas. Always putting it right to you. Always. I mean, in so many different ways. But just incredible information. You can see the picture-in-picture long-term chart. Right here, it's on the weekly, so I can see this could be an interesting trend since October, right? A continuation of a trend. So what I'll do is I'll just throw in an order. And hopefully I threw in an order. Let me try that again. There we go. Okay, and my stop. I move the stop to the moving average, 185. Okay, that's what you got. Very interesting. See, on this one, I would be inclined to go short. Okay, so I'm gonna say something like this. And I'll move my stop right here. Adjust it. And just constantly surfing and looking. Pineapple Financial, interesting. Just, I get, you know, all these ideas. I can put them in stocks that I like, but this is the bird's eye view. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you soon.